Hello, everybody. This is Stephen Klein and Paige Clark with TheraGoods with another important topic for everybody. Paige, you even posted a couple of things on how there are like cities full of plastic bottles on our ocean depths and all kind of other trash and pollutants, things like that.
Yeah, Stephen, that was part of our reason for wanting to partner with water expert Robbie Bessner to bring the TheraGoods product line to the market, was because we know that we have contaminants in our tap water, but it may not be as bad if you re-filter and structure at your point of use. It may be actually better than drinking the water out of these cheap plastic bottles, which have maybe 25,000 petrochemicals that are creating endocrine disruption and all that. So let alone, then what do we do with all these plastic bottles? They end up in our oceans, creating pollution and damage to our wildlife. So I was really thrilled, and I wanted to share it. And we're just sharing this kind of as a public service message.
Sure.
We're not benefiting from it. I just want to share the
Paige. Yeah, and before you even get into that, is if people are just drinking bottled water from these little crinkly bottles, just think about, and we could Google how many bottles each person is using per year, and where do you think they go? Not all of them are recycled, obviously.
Their toxic chemicals are going into our fat cells and hurting our health, and then their residue is going into our oceans and our landfills and hurting our wildlife, and the cycle continues.
Yep.
So you and I found this site called 4oceans.com. And this organization is doing wonderful things to clean up our oceans. And you can actually buy a really cool bracelet. So for every bracelet purchased, for each bracelet, it helps to fund the cleanup of 1 pound of trash from our oceans.
Mm-hmm.
And it's actually made from recycled glass bottles. And also the band is made from the recycled plastic bottles.
Mm-hmm.
I think that they're nice looking, but they do a much nicer purpose. So I wanted to bring that attention to all of our listeners at TheraGoods and our Healthy Fit Club sister group and Body Core. I mean, all these people, everyone's concerned about our oceans and equally concerned about our health.
Yep. And we're going to put a really cool little minute and 30-second video that they have on their site that we found on YouTube, and the link to their site, so you can participate. You can buy a bracelet, help remove 1 pound of this crap from the ocean floor, or you can get behind your company or whoever and sponsor. They have like a whole little program where you can buy a bunch of those things, and you can make
very cool
give back things. So we like the idea. We thought we'd share it with all of you, and we'd have one to show you, except we just found it, so we don't have one yet.
We'll show the video afterwards. But Stephen, all it takes is for good people to do nothing, but how we can change the world if even just a single person does something. And that's what we're doing today. We want to make a difference. So thanks for sharing.
Good stuff.
To your optimal health
and peak performance. Thanks, Paige.
See you, buddy.